Obim, baby, I'm videoing you. Look at me now. I'm videoing you, my love. Baby, why did you say you're not going out again? I thought you wanted to go out. My love, why you no want to step out again? After dressing, you just came here in HH. What are you thinking about?
Okay, look at me now. I didn't even know I'm this bad until I looked myself in the mirror. I'm not going out again. I'm not even sure that I will go out. I'll be stepping out. You just be calling that plug guy. Anything I want now, I'll just tell him he'll go outside, buy it for me, because I cannot be going out like this.
My love, what is wrong with you? Kaya, what is wrong with how you look? What is it? Kaya?
This pregnancy has completely changed me. It has changed my look. Everything about me has changed. I'm no longer hot. I'm no longer the sexy. I don't even feel sexy. I feel very ugly. I don't like myself. I don't know. See my face. See pimples everywhere. See my hair. See, if I move this thing, I can't look at. Let me even move it. See how ugly. See, look at how ugly everything is. I'm just look at me. See, bloated, my legs, everything is just getting bigger and bigger. It's not funny.
EJ love more. EJ, baby, there is nothing wrong with you. Shebi na me they marry you. Shebi na me they marry you, my love. Baby, you can not go.
I don't want that your low patronage. Just allow me to languish in this thing alone.
Baby, what if I make this is the joy of motherhood? A life is growing in you. You are even looking as sweet as baby. Oh, get out, get now. Get out, get out,
see my cheek.
Baby, nothing is wrong with your cheek.
Everybody, even if I wear 10 clothes and come out, once I come out, they know that something is that this girl has changed. If I post picture on Facebook, WhatsApp, hey, this girl, you are now getting bigger, or you are now getting fatter, or most people talk.
Baby, who paid your bride price?
I beg, leave me alone.
Is the payee of your bride price complaining?
My face is black, my neck is white, my
Baby, let them talk. Baby, the mama.
It's not even about them. It's about me. I'm now my mentality has shifted. I'm mentally depressed. I'm not proud of myself. I'm not proud of the way I look. I don't like it.
My love, stand up.
You go outside, you be seeing fine girls. When you come here now, I will not be hungering you again.
My love, you are still hungering me till tomorrow. My love, you have added in the required places. My love, stand up. Let me show you. Daughter. Baby. They go the brake light again. Left and right. Look at your brake light, baby. Headlamp again. Baby, not very hip. Baby, face me small. Face me like this. Hey! Do you have this hip before? Do you have this hip before, baby? You don't go. You don't go catch her.
But my face is not good now.
Rapu face, Madam Obi Oma. Negodobi. Madam Obi Oma, Negodobi. Even I'm boy, Allah. Kita go at baby the mama. Baby, you're sweet now. Look at your straight legs. Hey!
That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about my face.
Baby,
pimples on my
face. Your color self don't come out.
My skin is dark now.
Baby, your color self don't. Upon say you know the rub cream again. Baby, go to skincare. Skincare, organic cream, asa. Baby, don't mind them. Baby, you are still looking. Baby, if your face is fat, why didn't it affect the dimple? Negodi? It did not cover the dimple. You still Negodi. You have to go. Yeah, she's now shooting out. I'm whatever go. Negodi color. Baby, negodi kiss acha.
It's just because of my husband. That's why you're hyping me like.
Baby, it's not it, baby. People go still tell you, say, baby, itolo tongwa. Baby, kwado je baby neje. Edo so. Baby, you look beautiful. Feel it. Beauty is not how you look, it's how you feel. And your husband is making you to feel that beautiful. Baby, ta in wale oiso. Lechaba. baby cool toys. Ta, can find this poor. In short, I can you twice see the get herself, Oh, Bob Marley. Ito isa ta. Inwalea. Lechavali inwalea. Asam. Blow me kiss na. Ay!